If I told you that if you think the man who runs the Pentagon couldn't get any more stupid, that same man is now caught in two major scandals this week, both pointing to the same incompetence he's shown his entire appointment. Would you believe me? Because the Hill just laid out both stories. And when you put them together, you get the real picture. According to the Hill, that Caribbean boat strike left survivors alive, visible, clinging to the wreckage. And instead of rescue, they approved a follow up strike that unalived them. Experts say it could be a war crime, not confusion, not fog, a decision. And then another Hill article says he pushed operational strike details through Signal on a personal cell phone. And you thought Hillary and her emails were the problem? Please. This man was discussing timing, weapons, and full on mission plans like he was messaging a damn group chat. A Pentagon watchdog says it put U.S. troops at risk. And here's why you should care. Because when the person running the Pentagon is this incompetent, it's not just politics, it's your safety, your rights, your country being handled by someone who can't follow the same rules the rest of us get punished for. If this is who is making the calls, every American has something to lose. This isn't tough leadership. This is reckless incompetence from a man sitting on top of the Pentagon. And honestly, how did he even get here? Because nothing about this looks like strength, just chaos carrying a clipboard pretending it's order. So, if I told you the person running the Pentagon is completely incompetent, would you believe me?